I've realized recently that there are a ton of people doing video in the wedding industry who aren't doing anything to help make the audio in their films sound the best that it can be. Audio can be very daunting and difficult to understand at times, and therefore often overlooked. However, in most cases, you can forgive a video for having bad lighting, color, or even being out of focus. But when there is evidently bad audio, it's really hard to look past that. There are a lot of fantastic tools out there to help make the editing process even easier, especially with audio, and I wanted to share with you guys one of my favorite tools in Final Cut that helps my audio stand out and remain clean and pop in the mix, and that's the Loudness Tool. The Loudness Tool is simply a compressor. And what a compressor does is it reduces the dynamic range, which is the span between the softest and loudest sounds. Using compression can make your tracks sound more polished by controlling the maximum levels and maintaining higher average loudness, meaning you can uniformly level out the loud parts of your track and the softer parts and have it sound more even. So here's an example of a track that has no compression.
I think I can speak for everyone when I say that a room with Emily and Ben in it is a room that you want to be in. And I am beyond excited.
And now let's listen to the same track with the Loudness Tool applied.
I think I can speak for everyone when I say that a room with Emily and Ben in it is a room that you want to be in. And I am beyond excited.
As you can see in the waveforms, all of the more soft parts of the track came up to meet with the louder parts. Any compressor can do this, and some better than others. But what I love about this tool is how simple it is to use without things sounding horrible. One thing I would definitely try to keep in mind is that a little can go a long way. You don't want to overdo it when it comes to compression. Too much and your audio will start sounding weird and overprocessed, and that's not what you want. For me, I prefer to have a starting point where my amount is at about 15% and my uniformity is at around 40. The uniformity slider is going to affect how close the soft and loud parts are going to get, while the amount will affect the overall loudness and how much compression is really happening. So I don't want the amount to get too high or things will really start sounding overprocessed. I like the uniformity up a bit higher, so I know that the waveforms are getting more leveled out. From there, I think it needs a little bit more work. I may tweak it a little bit, but typically this is where I prefer to start from. By doing this, you'll end up saving yourself a lot of time keyframing your volume and readjusting the softer and louder parts of your audio. I hope this information was helpful to you. If so, please hit that like button so that the algorithm can push more videos. I really hope to be making more educational content like this in the future, so if you want to stay informed on when the next video drops, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can be notified. And please let me know in the comments below what you would like to see more of. But in the meantime, I'll see you later.